Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. My name's Vanessa. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today's video is on my Ipsy unboxing for the month of July. Ipsy is a monthly subscription that you pay $10 a month to get 5 to 4 sample to full-size products in the mail every month. I'll link it down below if you're interested. So let's just get into the unboxing. And if you like this video, please like it so I know, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. This is the bag that it comes in. So this is the July Ipsy bag here. So it's a metallic-y kind of holographic bag, I guess. I wish it was pink, to be honest. I'm not a big blue person, but it's still nice. And then it says July 2018 Ipsy. So the first thing that I see that I'm really excited about is this It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Light sample. It says shampoo and condition your hair, towel dry it, and then spray the product all over and comb through. I've actually heard good things about the It's a 10 brand, but I've never really tried it on my hair, so I'm excited about this, and it's actually pretty big. It's like 59.9 mils, so it's pretty big size, so I'm really excited to try that one. And then next is When in Doubt, Wing It Out. The Ico Skinny Liquid Liner, Black Liner, travel size. I'm actually really excited about this because I've tried their eyeliner before and it's really good. So let's see how big this little thing is. Oh, it's pretty big. It's actually a pretty big size. This month is really good. Normally it's just like tiny sample sizes. But this month there's a lot of full-size stuff in there, so I'm excited about that. And then next is this Elizabeth Mott tapered blending brush, which is perfect because I love getting brushes. It's full-size, and I love eyeshadow brushes because that way you don't have to clean them every single day if you have a lot of them, so that's nice. And the next thing is this Dr. Lipp Original Nipple Balm. Says for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. 100% natural, award-winning, multi-purpose balm. A glorious, rich treatment for beautiful, soft, luscious lips and any very dry bits. Famous for its long-lasting gloss and instant moisturizing effect. Fragrance-free, additive-free, and so very kissable. I'll try that. It's just a little mini size, but I'm excited to try that one. And then next is this Real Her Girl Power moisturizing lipstick. So let's open this and see. I don't know, I'm really impressed with the sizes of things this month though, because like these are quite large sizes. I think this is probably one of the best bags I've gotten. I'll link my other unboxings underneath if you guys are wanting to see. So it says Real Her 30% off, use code IPSYPOWER. Focus. I'll just link it below because it's not picking up on camera, for 30% off. And this is the packaging. It's really cute. And this is the color. It's a beautiful color. This is the swatch of it. So it's definitely a color that I'd love and that I'll wear a lot. I love mauves and pinks on my lips. So that's beautiful. So just to recap, I've got these 5 items all for $10 a month in my bag. So this is what the bag looked like. Then I got this really nice lipstick from Real Her, and I'll put the coupon code underneath if you guys want it. This little lip nipple balm thing that I don't really know too much about, but I'll try it. This eyeliner that I'm super excited about because I've tried Ico liners before and they're super good. Really nice brush and a really nice big size of hair product, which I am really excited about because my hair is really damaged, so this leave-in will be perfect for me. So I'm actually really happy with my bag. Thank you so much for watching. I'll link all the products underneath and also my previous bags if you want to see, but I think this bag has got to be one of my favorites so far just because the sizing of everything is so good. So I'll also link Ipsy below if you want to sign up to get your own bag. But please like this video if you like it and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.